I drink water after exercise. I drink water after exercise. I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket. I am dreaming at night. I am dreaming at night. I am standing near the window. I am standing near the window. I hear a loud sound. I hear a loud sound. I am wearing my watch. I am wearing my watch. We are going to the park today. We are going to the park today. They are talking and laughing. They are talking and laughing. She forgot her umbrella at home. She forgot her umbrella at home. I'm buying snacks for the movie. I'm buying snacks for the movie. I'm crossing the road carefully. I'm crossing the road carefully. They are playing football outside. They are playing football outside. I like to eat fresh fruits. I like to eat fresh fruits. I missed the bus this morning. I missed the bus this morning. She is drinking coffee now. She is drinking coffee now. He reads book every evening. He reads book every evening. I go to the market with my mother. I go to the market with my mother. She is carrying too many bags. She is carrying too many bags. I'm sitting on the chair. I'm sitting on the chair. We are watching a movie together. We are watching a movie together. I clean the table after eating. I clean the table after eating. I keep everything in place. I keep everything in place. I go for a walk in the evening. I go for a walk in the evening. I wake up early and start my day. I wake up early and start my day. I feel sleepy now. I feel sleepy now.